Are you looking for hip hop dance classes for yourself or maybe for your kids set to clean, kosher Jewish music? It doesn't exist. Now it does. Introducing the House of Lev Dance Studio. I had a lot of people reach out to me from around the world. They said, Akiva, I want to take your dance class, but I live in America. I'm not in Israel. So I thought, what if I create some online dance courses where I can be in 1,001 places all at one time? So I can be here in Israel and I can be in Africa. I can be in Australia. I can be in your living room and I can bring the dance classes right to you. You don't need a dance studio. You don't need a special place. You just need a little bit of space and you can dance anywhere. There's dance classes for kids, teens, and even adults. All ages, all levels, all from the comfort of your home. I've been very blessed to have traveled and performed in over 100 different countries all around the world and worked with some of the industry's top names. But now, as a proud Jew, I'm excited to be able to use my gifts and my talents to serve Hashem. For me, it's one of the many ways that allows me to connect to Hashem. And I'm excited to help you do the same thing. So now that I got you interested, registration opens Sunday, May the 18th. The link is in the description and in the comments.